fly on, drop a replay, game strong, he the king. How to's and reviews, got the people tuned in. These rides the channel when the engines ignite. Stay for the thrills, buckle up for the flight. These rides hitting the pavement, every gear shifting, never feeling detainment. From the streets to the tracks, living life loud. In the car world, D wearing the crown.
Take a look at this vehicle here. This is the 2025 Lincoln Navigator, the Reserve Edition. This thing is beautiful. Just take a look at how menacing this thing looks. I love these wheels. These wheels are, just look at that. They're kind of like a fan blade, but I love how everything here is dark, blacked out, if you will. It's a 4x4, 7-passenger vehicle. This thing is also a twin turbo. And so if you check these out, look at these beautiful LED lights. I do love how they incorporated the LEDs into the Navigator, or excuse me, Lincoln emblem. These wheels were made for this SUV. This thing looks so good together. This whole stealth kind of package. It's not even a stealth package, but I like to say that it is a stealth package. I love these projector headlights, and everything just kind of flows together. This reminds me of maybe some wings or something like that. You got the beautiful LED tail lights, very simplistic. You got, of course, the Lincoln logo there. Unfortunately, it is a terrible day out here to be reviewing cars outside, but if you have the right equipment, everything is good to go. So take a look at this. It's some theme going on. I don't know what it is, but you can see this pattern here with the side lights. Then you have the same pattern here in the window. You also have similar pattern here as well. But this thing is a twin turbo 3.5 liter V6. And so we're going to take a little test drive. We're going to check it out. I'm going to tell you how this thing drives, and then we'll go ahead and wrap it up. I want you to take a look at this panoramic dashboard. It is ridiculous. So between the Nautilus and these are the only two vehicles as of right now that has this kind of panoramic running board. And so if you take a look at this, here are some things that I just found out. So here you have your different drive selector modes. You can come up here, choose some different things as well. Take a look at this. Let me see if I can find it. So look at this, the Rejuvenate. Now watch this. It just changed the dash. So what you can do with this is, if you want to, once you get home from work, you want to just kind of chill out, you can come over here and you can choose one of the Rejuvenate modes, and it actually changes the dashboard. Let's go ahead to the Auroras, which is one of my favorite. I love Aurora Borealis. And so what it'll do, you can go ahead and do a 5-minute chill, and you'll get the Aurora. My seat is going back. It's gonna lay me down, and it's gonna have me relax because, you know, I've been having such a bad day. But it's crushing my stuff back there. But at any rate, let's see if I can check that out. That is amazing. Amazing. So I don't have very much time, so let me go ahead and stop that. And so there are just so many different features. And check this out. This thing actually has, you can choose different scents to have the vehicle emit. Like, I've never seen anything like that. And so you have these different scent cartridges right here, and they smell really good. So you get to choose your scent that you want, something I've never seen. And yeah, so we're about to go ahead and test drive this thing and get on the road. All right, so we are about to take this thing on a ride. This thing drives so well. So this truck, it is a big truck, but as with all good trucks, it doesn't feel that way. So I know a lot of people who are afraid to drive larger trucks will appreciate this particular truck. All right, everybody, so we are done here. This truck is, so what's going on? I am going to interrupt you because I have some explaining to do. There was, as you can see in the footage, there was a lot of rain. There was a lot going on where you had like 15 or 20 cars there, and we had people, and we were kind of taking 20-minute intervals between the cars, and it was just a lot going on that day. And then on top of that, I ended up losing one of my DJI microphones, but it was one of the mic minis. Thank God it wasn't my DJI Mic 2 or my DJI mic. But at any rate, yeah, so what I want to talk to you about is the Lincoln Navigator, that 2025 Lincoln Navigator, and give you a little bit more insight about the interior and the drive. That was a part of what I was missing. So here you go. That truck is awesome from inside and out. So the materials that were used on the inside of that truck, the leather, very, very nice. I love the look of the dash with that kind of panoramic view of the dashboard. Love that feature. And what I tried to explain or articulate in the video is within the Lincoln fleet of vehicles, the Nautilus and the Navigator were the only ones that has that panoramic feature. And then that freaking rejuvenate feature where you can lay back, you can play different meditating type music, and then it spritz the little sense of whatever. It was just an amazing, I love that truck. That's all I can say. I love the truck. But yeah, so the interior of it, very nice, very plush materials. There was a lot of room in the back of the Navigator. I wish I would have been able to give you guys a little bit more video footage of the interior and things like that. But it's a larger, it's a Navigator. So it's kind of, I believe Navigators are online with kind of the Expedition size. So there you go. It's a large SUV. And with this vehicle, drove very nicely. Didn't hear any road noise and just had a wide field of view that you would expect with an SUV of that size. And then, like I said, it just had so much room on the inside and just all those little crazy features. But what I didn't show you is there are little widgets that you can move from the instrument panel up to the panoramic dash that, you know, if you didn't have the time or the weather up there and you had something like the fuel economy, you could drag down the fuel economy widget and then click on the gas widget or whatever widget you want to put up to the dash, and there you have it. So very, very nice truck. Loved it so much. That was probably one of the vehicles that I really wanted to drive that day. So that was the first one I ended up driving. So, but at any rate, I just wanted to break in, give you guys a little bit more context, a little bit more information, if you will, about what this truck is all about. Because when you get done and when you've done doing what you're doing and you get home and it didn't go the way you wanted to, you got to improvise. So this is me improvising. So yeah, we had a bunch of vehicles that we ended up reviewing. And if you want to check out some more of our car reviews, make sure you go wherever it's going to be. Make sure you go ahead and check out this video right here. And I'll see you later.